To meet Joseph Cohen. He's a student at Columbia University. He says he's undecided. He's got a question for Ivanka. Joseph?
First, I wanted to congratulate you on the birth of your son.
Thank you.
I was wondering how your father reacted to your decision to convert to Judaism. What led you to that decision, and how did he react?
Well, it's such a personal decision. I tend not to talk about it in a public forum, but my father was very supportive. He knows me, he knows, and he trusts my judgment. When I make decisions, I make them in a well-reasoned way. I don't rush into things, so I appreciate the support he gave me, because obviously these decisions are not taken lightly, and it would have been much more hard if I had had headwinds. But he believes in me. He loves my husband. They're incredibly close, which I think was obviously helpful, and he's been very supportive of me in that decision, as in many others that I've taken through it.